Hi there! Yesterday I was cutting fabric for my new Gore-Tex jacket and I had some scraps. So I thought I might demonstrate you how you can repair tears and holes in your Gore-Tex jacket. So today I'm showing you how to repair the clear cut, not so clear cut, the more complicated shape cut and a hole. So what I'll be using is a strip of Goretex tape and a normal household sewing machine. So first out, repairing the clear cut, like maybe you have dropped a knife or something. And that's fixed basically by ironing a piece of Goretex tape on the back, as I will show you. Okay, so I cut a piece of tape that is about 1 centimeter longer in each end. Have the normal household iron on a setting 2, which is in between the silk and wool setting. Put the tape on top of the tear or the cut on the back side and just press the iron. Maybe 5 seconds. Maybe a bit longer. This will fix your hole quite nicely. So for number 2, the not so clean cut, we're going to use the sewing machine and sew a tight zigzag over the hole before we tape it on the back side. Clipping the whiskers on the back. So here the hole is sewn over. Maybe the thread tension was a bit high, so we get some wrinkles. So you should probably test this on a scrap like I do first. And then we are going to add the tape in the same way as the previous one. Cut the piece about 1 centimeter longer than the tear. Place it on top and iron it in place. Another waterproof repair. Okay, third up is the irregular shaped cut. To fix this, we need a little help to keep things in place. So on the back side, we use some masking tape. To keep the pieces in place. Like this, and then we can sew in the same way as the previous one. Now I'm sewing through the tape over the whole length of the cut. First in one direction, and then in the other. Just cutting the whiskers. Okay, this looks quite okay from the front side. On the back side we still have the tape. So now we just remove as much of the tape as we can. Okay, this is enough. And then we tape over the back side, just as we did with the other ones. Last one up is the irregular shaped hole, like maybe when you fall on your knees on the gravel road. Here we need to use a piece of scrap fabric like this. If you don't have any, maybe you can sacrifice the inside of a pocket of your jacket or trousers. To keep this in place, we use some paper, a glue stick for paper. It is water soluble and will disappear when washing. And you just, especially on the corners, put on the glue and put it on top of your hole, like this. Then we're going to stitch on the machine along the edge of the patch. Again, using a zigzag stitch with just small forward motion, maybe a 1 on the sewing machine. I'll stitch over the edge and the fabric like this. So when I come to the corner, I just switch directions. And again. So now it looks like this on the front and this on the back, and then we can just tape it. Maybe we need several pieces of tape on the inside to make it waterproof. Okay, I just ran out of one type of tape, but you see the principle. And you have a functioning jacket or trousers again. Okay, just another quick look at the results. Here is the clean cut, fixed only with tape on the back side. We have the not so clean cut that was sewed first and then taped on the back side. We had the irregular cut that was first taped with masking tape on the back side, then sewn in place, and then taped with Goretex tape. And in the end we had the patch of fabric over a bigger hole, put in place with some glue stick, and then sewn around the edges and taped on the back side. So now you're good to go again.